Hey guys, right here, and good morning to you. So today we're heading to Roar Flats, and we're gonna be recovering a Lexus GH 550, I believe. It's an older model anyway. So the axle broke, so they're not able to steer it or drive it at all. They called us yesterday, but we couldn't do it yesterday, so we're going today. We're gonna be driving at for about an hour, 30 minutes. Once I get there, I'll keep recording, and thank you guys for coming along. Here we go. We got the owner as a trail boss, George and Alfredo on the Tacoma, and of course, us. Okay, I just noticed those hills going up there. They seem to be pretty steep. So let's see how it goes when when I'm pulling it down the hill. Okay, so I'm thinking that that's it right there, but I'm not 100% sure. I see some vehicles coming down, and of course we got the owner and George and Alfredo right there. Right there. See how slow they're going? Yeah, this is not a joke over here. All right, so let's get going. When he's not hooking up on baseline and East Street, he's hooking up over here. Right, George? But you're not hooking up on baseline and East Street. You're over here hooking it up. As tight as possible. Yeah, no, for sure we're lifting it.
To have an LX, the newer ones with the crowd control, I think it's badass.
Yeah, it helps out a lot.
Yeah.
And this is not even a month old. You get it lifted, put all that good stuff on it.
Okay guys, so we got it all hooked up to the dolly. We took out the front tires just to make sure that they won't touch the dolly's tires. We gotta go down a really steep hills, and as you could see in the beginning, it's not like a flat, just like a flat trail. So we'll see how we do. George is gonna be riding the Toyota, or the Lexus, I should say. He's gonna be riding it. He's gonna be putting brakes, and I think their idea is to attach the Tacoma to the Lexus, just to help with the weight when going down. So we'll see how it goes, and wish us luck. Okay, we're almost ready to go. So let's see what happened here. Look at that. Whoa. So anyway, let's get going. Okay, so as you could see, the dolly flipped over, and it was due to a flaw on the design. The dolly didn't have enough flex, and we saw it coming, but we didn't have enough time to redo it. So the dolly tipped over, and now we're doing a quick Mickey Mouse on it, so we can get it, going, and so we can finish the job tomorrow.
Yeah, that was too much tension.
The wire.
Yeah.
Helicopter. As you could see, the wire didn't took the weight of it, especially because it's coming, in an angle and doesn't have any wheels. So now we have to pick it up all the way from the floor. So we're gonna be rewiring this. We're gonna lift it up with the dolly, with the car jack, make it more even. Maybe pull it forward a little bit more, and from there on, we'll see if we can, finish the job and put it up on the dolly. Once we get it up here, this has nothing to do, this will be free. Once we get it up here, we're good to go, hopefully. So we'll see in a little bit.
Kind of videos I like to watch on TikTok.
Okay, good. There. Oh, dang.
Oh, come on.
¿Salió? Sí, salió otra vez.
Okay.
Yeah, it's too much weight. Hay que jalarlo. Okay, guys, so as you can see, the line broke twice. It's mainly because of the angle of the truck, that it is. And with no wheels, we have to lift all the way from the bottom of the, all the way from the bottom. So right now, what we're trying to do is make it even, lift it up as much as possible, so we get less of an angle. So when we, crank it up, it'll be more even. It'll go up instead of trying to stay down. So we'll see how it goes right now. Okay, yeah. You want to get it from the D-ring or from the...
Marco, once again, rope over wire. Rope over wire.
Yeah, like that. Like that. Yeah, I think so. Right?
I need a little more.
Hold on, don't pull it.
Ahí está.
as you can see, this is the last stretch. But right here, it's like the dips, the ruts, they're like really, really pronounced. There's gonna be a lot of flexing. We don't know if the dolly will hold or what, but there's no other way around. We cannot go that way, we cannot go that way. We have to go through here regardless. So we're gonna be putting some woods right there on the deepest part, trying to ease the flats that we're gonna be doing. And you know, if everything goes according to plan, we just have to climb up the hill over there, and we'll be, you know, on our way home. We'll be free from here. So, you know, wish us luck, guys. This is the last stretch, and you know, let's see how it goes. All right, time to see the dolly flats. See if what we did works. Let's check it out. Oh, look at the flats. And it didn't tip over. Look at that, look at that. Nice. That's right. We got it, we got it. Keep going, keep going. And we're practically out. Let me do
another great job by Southie Countdown. Another great job by us, which is California Offroad Recovery. My boy right here, Rhino, Offroad Recovery, Cavalry, and your boy on his toe.
Go ahead, brother. Jump on it, jump on it. A ver, go, despacito. Just stay on the corner, yeah. Dale, dale, despacio. Yeah. Oh. Dang. Collateral damage.